Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government jobs, PhD work from home job and the school teacher as well as the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see one official update regarding the provisional answer key of the phase 1. So why? Because as per the National Testing Agency, it divided the UG Senate December 2020 and June 2021 mid-cycles examination into the two phases. Okay, the first phase was done on December 5th and the second phase is yet to start. Okay, so based upon this one, I just contacted the National Testing Agency executive. So whatever the call conversation done between us, so based upon that call conversation, I'm going to give you an official update regarding this provisional answer. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. So actually we got one public notice by the National Testing Agency on 13th November 2021 regarding the complete schedule. Okay, so the date wise as well as the shift wise, the complete schedule we got regarding all the 81 subjects of the UG Senate examination. So in this one, the phase 1, okay, you may check down that the dates given by the National Testing Agency are starting from 20th of the November and the ending of the December 5th. Okay, so 20th November to December 5th is the first phase, and all these examinations were already done. And while coming to the second phase subjects, that is 7 net subjects are there. And apart from this 7 net subjects, a few more rescheduled subjects are also there. So those examinations also they had to plan. So as per the 13th November, they given the dates like 15 to 23rd December, the second phase for these subjects will be done. But recently one notice published in the National Testing Agency, and within one day they deleted that notice. Okay, and that notice is regarding the phase 2 examination as well as the rescheduled examination dates. So actually in that notice they kept the 24th December to 30th December. These are the dates for the phase 2 as well as the rescheduled examinations, and we don't know why. Immediately within one day they just removed that notice from its official website. Okay, anyhow, we are still about to wait for the phase 2 examinations as well as the rescheduled examinations. So we thought that actually in the last year, that means in 2020, they released the answer key for the after completion of the phase 1 examination. After 1 week, they released one provisional answer key, and the phase 2 examinations they separately released one provisional answer key. So like that also we thought this year also, but after talking with the NTA executive, I came to know that they are telling that after completion of all the examinations, okay, that means phase 1 including phase 2. So after completion of the phase 1 and phase 2 examinations, then only they are going to release the provisional answer key of all the 81 subjects. Okay, so it is a fresh update, guys, and I will make you listen the call conversation also.
Welcome to National Testing Agency. Welcome to National Testing Agency. All our executives are Welcome to National Testing Agency. All our executives are currently busy. You will be attended shortly. Else you may email your...
Ma'am, my name is Ashwani Kumar and I want to know one information. This UG Senate phase 1 examination was done, right? So when can we expect the provisional answer key for that one, ma'am? Is there any...
After all exams.
After all the exams?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is no...
So guys, it is a conversation done between me and NTA executive. So they are telling that after completion of all the examinations, that means the phase 1 and phase 2, we can expect the provisional answer key. So please don't wait now, guys. So we can expect the provisional answer key of all the examinations in the month of January 2022. Okay. So it is the official update that I got through the toll-free number of the National Testing Agency, guys. So for more updates, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are eagerly waiting for the provisional answer key of the phase 1. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday. November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want